I was seeking a CRM that would integrate with Unleashed. It just seemed to make sense to me not to go for one of those that's purely marketing. We looked at a number of different CRMs, and the difference between Prospect CRM and the others was the integration with Unleashed. That was the winner for us.
We looked at a lot of CRM systems. Some of them were extremely expensive and some of them just didn't fit the bill, but Prospect was right on the mark in terms of its quality, its quality, but also how it connected to Unleashed seamlessly. That works really, really well for our business.
We looked at several CRMs along the way, but this one stood out as an absolute bonus to us because it's fitted in with our ERP system, our Unleashed, that we work hand in hand, and it made sense to use two packages that basically understood each other. Prospect gives us the answers that we're looking for from Unleashed. So without having to go digging and running reports, heavy reports which are Excel based in Unleashed, that Prospect has that on a platform, on a dashboard, which is simple for all the sales staff to use. And we can manage the amount of information that the sales staff see, whether it be sort of just a basic headline, their own customer bases, so they can see their own customers that they're working with, or for the management side, we can see the whole picture and actually drill right the way down into margins and sort of return sides.
Having Unleashed and Prospect CRM integrated enables Prospect CRM to see the stock that Unleashed has and the available stock, not just what we have in stock, but the available stock. So obviously if we've got lots of orders, which means that all the stock of a certain item is actually taken, it will then, the Prospect CRM will show, well, hang on a minute, you can't actually have any stock because it's already been allocated to other customers. So, and also if we do have any special pricing that we input into Unleashed onto the customer level, again, that goes straight up into Prospect CRM. And then vice versa, putting orders on Prospect CRM, it goes straight through, once we confirm it, it goes straight through into Unleashed almost instantly. And so then the orders can be picked straight away. And because we operate on a next day delivery, as long as they order before 3 o'clock, it's quite vital that the orders, the systems work together and things happen, data transfers very quickly, and it does. So, we can take orders, 2:59, they go straight through to the warehouse, they get it picked and out the door. So yeah, it's great.
Prospect and Unleashed integrated together allows the team that are quoting for customers to see live what's available in stock and what they can deliver to the customers today.
Looking at Prospect CRM, because it was a good fit with Deer, it was a natural choice for us to make. That's why we chose Prospect Soft, because it integrated really, really well. Albeit you're working with two systems, because they're integrated together, it just makes it a lot easier and seamless. So as soon as the customer says, yes, I want to order the product, the customer can click a button on the email which we've sent him, and it converts that quotation to an order. So we don't have to do anything between that process. The customer places the order straight away. The customer is also able to pay for the goods as well through Prospect / Deer inventory, and then the order is processed within Deer systems and it's managed through our warehouse system and it's shipped out straight away. So from the customer pressing that button, the order can be processed within the day and shipped out. The customer receives the item the following day.
For me, the best thing that Prospect CRM does is we have customers that still call up and don't order over the website, that call us up and say, right, can I have my small and medium sized bag and my small cup? And we've got 10 different sizes of bags out there and like 5 different sizes of cups. But the quoting system on Prospect CRM, it brings up their order history, so you can see out of the 3 sizes, the 3 regular sizes they have, you can enter in the quantity straight away, hit add, job done, and then confirm, and it's done. It keeps the pricing, it keeps the products that they normally have. That side of Prospect CRM just makes life so much easier and so much quicker than anything else that I've been able to find.
There's also a idea log function on the system as well. So if you have a new idea that the CRM doesn't do already, you can log an idea with them and they can look at that as becoming a function on the system, which is really helpful.
Of having an integrated ecosystem of apps, Prospect, our accounting system, Unleashed and our third-party logistics system, is the seamlessness between all of those in the operation of our business. It means that anyone in our organisation can answer any query to any customer at any time.
Good thing about Deer inventory and Prospect CRM, they talk to each other, so that they're working well. The information that Deer sends to Prospect and what Prospect sends to Deer, it's like a hand in a glove, works really well. There's obviously other aspects of the CRM that we really enjoy using, such as the insights. We can look at Prospect CRM and we can at a glance know what each customer is doing, how they've performed over the year. Is it a customer which is growing? Is it a customer which is likely to go to sleep? So just at a glance looking at CRM, we can know, do we need to pick the phone up to this customer? Do we need to send them an email? Do we need to target them as a potential customer for a particular product? We can look at what quotes we've done for them over the year. Also gives us notifications as well. So that's why we chose Prospect CRM, because of these additional features that the other companies weren't able to offer. Since taking on Prospect CRM, as well as producing quotes, we're able to also look in the background of each product. It tells us, are we making a profit on this product? Have we marked it up correctly? Whereas before, we'd probably just, quote a ridiculous price just to win the business, but ultimately we've made a loss. But using Prospect CRM, because it integrates with Deer, we're able to look at all the nuances of each product. We're able to see, have we got it in stock? We're able to also see when's the item coming in. We're able to see how profitable this product is, and we're able to also see what other customers have been ordering that particular product as well.
But I couldn't find a better CRM system that enabled us that monitors stock as well, and from another integrated system, and also enabled us to quickly put orders on the system.
My advice to any other business that's implementing a CRM when they have an inventory system as well would be to get a system that integrates both inventory and your CRM. It's impossible to make the best use of a CRM unless you have that link with inventory. You don't have the visibility that you need about what your customer's business is, and a marketing-only CRM just doesn't cut it.
If you're using Deer systems, I would certainly say probably the only system out there which is going to work well with Deer systems, as well as give you an advantage, is Prospect CRM. It's a great system to use, very easy, very user-friendly. I'd certainly say go ahead, give it a trial. You've got nothing to lose.